I think people that have either just started as pen testers or have been doing it for a while, I think I always encourage broadening their horizons outside of just one particular interest or area of expertise. So, I mean, we've talked for a long time, I think, how it's important for, individuals to figure out what they're really good at, what they like. Do you like web applications? Do you like network pen testing? Social engineering, all the different categories, right, of skills that are required for different types of pen testing. But I always encourage people to step out of their shell a little bit and do something or take an interest in something else that might be somewhat related to, let's just say you're really good at network pen testing. Try working on more mobile applications or web applications just to see how you like it. And even if you didn't particularly like it, you can look back and say, well, I gained some skills at least doing this, or I learned how to use this tool, this technique. This really helped me because some of the best pen testers I've worked with are the ones that are most well rounded, where they have the most different type of experiences that they've had, not just in their career but their life as well. So I think I mentioned this to you before. Had a nurse that moved into cybersecurity and became a pen tester, probably one of the best pen testers I've worked with, because this person had that bedside manner where they could talk to customers. So while they were great technically, the real value I saw in this person was the way that they could explain technical findings to non-technical executives or CEOs or people on the board of directors. That is huge value as a pen tester. And so I always look for, and I encourage, what are the things that maybe you did in a previous life that could apply to your job now?